what you need for this really quick Oriole feeder is some wire. And I would recommend something prettier than this, but of course the birds don't really care. This is what I had on hand. Something that's bendable. And you need about 24 inches, give or take. Some cutters, some wire cutters, some really pretty beads. And if you're ever in Southwest Michigan, go to the Rock Shop. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool rock shop. And they did not pay me to give them a plug, but really cool family-owned store. And they have great beads. Also, you need some spacer beads if you want. You don't have to. And then a glass, like a candle holder, a ramekin, but something that's got a little bit of a lip to it because it's going to sit in the wire. We're going to create a holder. And what Orioles like is jelly. So what you're going to do is fill this with some jelly. So at the top here, you want to create kind of a little loop to hang on your arm, wherever you're going to hang this. You want to wrap it around a couple times, like that. Like so. So now we're on our other end. And we're going to start stringing our beads on here. So you kind of thread that bead all the way up, and basically 12 inches of this is what's going to be kind of your arm, if you will. And then we're going to start wrapping the bottom 12 inches around the glass. So whatever beads you need kind of on the arm, thread them on now. All right, so just keep threading beads so you get a nice kind of look on your arm of your feeder. One thing to note, pay attention to the gauge of your wire because sometimes beads that you get don't have a large enough hole. For instance, I got these and they're really small. So be sure to check your holes on your beads so you can get it onto the wire. All right, once you have a good sense of, enough beads, feeling good about that, bring your glass. What you're gonna do is take your wire. You want to be able to take the glass in and out, but it also needs to be firm enough in there so it's not flying out once the birds come. So take your wire and go under your glass. Bring it up, and then wrap it just under the lip. And I would also, as you pass the arm, wrap it once around there, just to cinch it. Take your end and wrap it like so. Now, you're going to want a little bit of support over here. So take a little bit more wire. We're going to So we just firmed up this other side, the opposite side of where the arm is. And there we are. Put a little grape jelly in here and the Orioles will come. that's all for today. Thank you for joining me on Fridays with Flora. Please subscribe to the channel, and that way you can stay up on all the fun. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye.